Melt-in-mouth vegetarian kebabs made from protein and fiber-rich kala chana are so easy to make yet so mouth-watering. Let's make Kala Chana Kebab. We will start with boiling the chana. I have here 1 cup of overnight soaked black chickpeas or kala chana. 2.5 cups of water to boil. Add to this 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 3 green chillies, and around 2 teaspoons of salt. Close the lid and we will let this pressure cook for 5 whistles. If you forget to soak the chana overnight, here's a tip. Just soak them in hot water for an hour and then put them to boil. 5 whistles are done and the pressure has settled down. Let's take off the lid now. See, it's cooked so well. Perfect to make the kebabs. Let's drain off the excess water. This water is highly nutritious. You need not throw it. You can use it in curries, soups or stocks. Put the chana to cool down a bit before grinding. Once cool, I'm transferring it to the grinding jar. And we will grind it into a coarse mixture. The ground mixture is ready. For flavoring the kebab mixture, in a pan on heat on low flame, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Roast the spices for 15 seconds. The spices are roasted. Let's add the spices to the ground chana mixture. Once done, add half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon regular salt, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan, and 1 boiled and mashed potato. Let's bring everything together. We are binding it into a smooth mixture. The texture is thick yet smooth, perfect to make the kebabs. Before you shape the kebabs, grease your palms with oil to make shaping easier. Start grabbing the portions depending on the size of the kebab you want to make. I'm rolling them into disc-like shapes. Smooth and round, perfect. All the kebabs are shaped and ready to be pan-fried. In a pan on heat, I am taking around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, put the kebabs to pan fry on low to medium heat. You can use ghee for frying the kebabs for a richer taste. While the bottom side of the kebabs is cooking, drizzle a little oil over the top side. For a healthier option, you can just brush a little oil over them. Flip once cooked from the bottom and let the other side fry as well. Thanks to the wonderful kebab aroma, I already have people coming to the kitchen. Hard to believe for them, these are 100% vegetarian. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Melt-in-mouth Kala Chana Kebabs are ready. Enjoy with some green chutney and lemon wedges on the sides. This is a must-try. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.